In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Grammarly step by step so you can make sure your paid plan does not renew automatically at the end of your current billing cycle. This is a quick but important tutorial if you no longer need the premium features, want to manage your subscriptions, or just want to avoid getting charged again. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, sign in with the account that is currently linked to your Grammarly subscription. Make sure you use the correct email and login details, because subscription settings are tied to the account that purchased the plan. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation bar. You should see an option called Admin Panel. Click on that to open your account management area. This is where Grammarly keeps your billing and subscription controls, so if you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the sidebar carefully. Once the admin panel is open, locate your account settings and click on your account. From there, select subscription. This section shows the details of your current plan, including your billing cycle, renewal status, and the options available for managing the subscription. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you should see the Cancel Subscription option. Click on Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Grammarly may ask you to confirm your choice or provide a reason for leaving, so follow any on-screen prompts carefully and continue until the cancellation is fully completed. After you finish, take a moment to review the page or your email inbox if Grammarly sends a confirmation message. This helps make sure the cancellation went through properly. Once cancelled, your paid plan should remain active until the end of the current billing period, and then it will not renew automatically, and that's it. You've now unsubscribed from Grammarly. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, and following these steps helps you avoid any unwanted future charges. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.